Hey guys, Nolan here, back for another plant talk. Today we're talking about the yellow water lily. So we have a whole flock of them right here. And I have a flower and a lily pad with a stem there. Now these lilies are super cool. They're found on both sides of the Atlantic. They like all kinds of water, stagnant, moving. They like shallow lakes, ponds, swamps, rivers, canals, ditches. Basically anywhere where you can find some water, they'll like to be there. Now they can also live anywhere from sea level up to about 10,000 feet in elevation, which is quite a wide range. And they love these shallow waters and wetlands because their roots go in the sediment, and then the leaves float on the water surface, as you can see. And they can be about 5 meters deep. Now their flowers are yellow, obviously, and they bloom from mid-spring to autumn. It takes about a 4 to 5 day process for this, with insects cross-fertilizing. And then the female parts expand up to 3 times in diameter and spread around 400 seeds on the water surface. Now the flower itself is a hermaphrodite, so it has the male and female parts required. And it tends to have 5 or 6 large, bright yellow sepals. So that's this outside part here. And then on the inside, you'll have actual petals. It'll have lots of small yellow petals. So we can kind of see it if we pop it open like that. These flowers flower from June to September. And the rhizomes, which are basically essentially the roots in the ground, they expand and can sprout new stalks themselves. They also provide lots of nutrients. They're the primary source for nutrients for these lily pads. And these water lilies, they're really good at exhaling methane from lake sediments. And they also provide a super good habitat for all kinds of fish, invertebrates, insects, snails, birds, turtles, and all kinds of other creatures. Now, for their leaf, it's fairly oval, I would say. Kind of looks like an egg. And then you have a long stem that's super glossy. You guys won't be able to get the hang of it in the video, but just trust me, I'm rubbing my thumb on it here. It's super greasy. And then you have your little flower growing. So we have one picked here. We'll be throwing back so it can further contribute to the ecosystem. But that is the yellow water lily. Say hi to it if you see it around in your area.